In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money with Canva using only the free version. Hi everyone! If you're brand new to design or just starting to sell digital products, this walkthrough is simple, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any paid tools. First, choose a niche so your products speak to a clear audience. Think about who you want to help and what they need. Maybe you'll create social media templates for small businesses, planners for students, ebooks for coaches, or digital posters for classrooms. Check what's trending on marketplaces and look for gaps you can fill. A focused niche helps your shop feel cohesive and makes it easier for buyers to understand what you do. Next, create your designs with Canva's free tools. Open a blank canvas or start with a free template as your base. Stick to free elements, photos, and icons to avoid licensing issues. Use alignment tools and grids for clean layouts, and keep spacing consistent. Build sets rather than one-offs, like a pack of 20 Instagram posts, because bundles tend to sell better. Export as high-quality PNGs, JPGs, or PDFs, depending on the product type. Now customize and add value so your work stands out. Develop a simple style guide with color palettes and font pairings, and apply these consistently. Offer variations, such as square, story, and Pinterest sizes of the same design. Include editable text and clear layer naming if you're sharing a template link. Consider adding a quick start PDF with usage instructions so customers know exactly how to edit and use your product. Choose where to sell based on your strengths. Etsy is great for digital downloads and built-in traffic. Gumroad is simple for delivering files and links. Fiverr lets you offer done-for-you design services. You can even sell directly through social media using a link in your bio. For template products, deliver a PDF that includes a Use as Template link from Canva, plus brief instructions for the buyer. Promote your work to reach more people. Share mock-ups and before and after examples on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Use keywords and captions, consistent branding, and clear calls to action. Pin your best covers and keep posting regularly to build momentum. Finally, offer services alongside your templates. Create custom logos, social media posts, or flyers using Canva, and package them as simple service tiers. A short client questionnaire helps you deliver quickly and professionally. And that's how you can earn money using only Canva, even the free version. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.